So guys, I was just revising and there are some of the points that I wanted to clear up that can be of help to you. So the bones that grow by endochondral type of bone formation. Endochondral is basically there is first of all cartilage and then there is a bone. So the bones that grow by this are your hyoid, incus, stapes and ethmoid. The mnemonic for is HISE. H for hyoid, I for incus, S for stapes and E for ethmoid. Usually the question is asked which of the following grows by endochondral type. And next is your which of the following grows by your intramembranous bone formation. So intramembranous is that there is no cartilaginous model before, and directly the bone is laid down in a fibrous membrane. So they are your maxilla, nasal bone, parietal, zygoma, vomer, lacrimal, zygomatic. No mnemonic for it, but there can be a question which of the following grows by your intramembranal as well as endochondral ossification, and means both. So usually the question is asked and the mnemonic for it is MOST. M for mandible, O for occipital, T for S for sphenoid and T for temporal. So by both the mnemonic is most, and for only endochondral the mnemonic is HISE. So what happened when I gave an exam, HISE may be SRI or both may be SRI because it is MOST. So I got confused completely. Say so it was like which of the following grows by both, or S से option में sphenoid भी था और stapes भी था, and I marked stapes in that case. So you don't have to basically get confused. Endochondral it's HISE, S for your stapes, and both is most, and S for your sphenoid, and rest all the bones are going to grow by your intramembranous formation, and its explanation is given below in the description box.